Hello, I'm going to walk you through how you can quickly reschedule your team's jobs using crew control. Let's start with rescheduling a single job. Simply select the job you'd like to move, then drag it to the day and the position you'd like it performed. Drop it in place, and it's just that easy. For recurring jobs, you'll be asked if you'd like to apply the changes to future weeks. Choose yes if you want the schedule updated going forward. Otherwise, for one-time moves, choose no. You also have the option to reschedule several jobs at once. To do this, just select multiple jobs and drag them to the position you'd like them to be performed and drop them in place in the same way. To easily grab all jobs for a specific day, you can go to the day's details, select all jobs, and move them in the same way. Lastly, if you have jobs that you have not assigned yet to a crew or don't know the specific day they were going to be performed, you could drag them to the unscheduled jobs area. And that's it. A few simple steps to keep your schedule organized and efficient.